If you're thinking about moving abroad, or you're already living overseas, there's one thing that catches a lot of Americans off guard. Your US taxes don't go away. In fact, in many cases, they get more complicated. And the biggest mistake I see, people wait until tax season to figure it out. Here's the reality. When you live abroad, you're often dealing with two tax systems at the same time, the US and your new country. Without planning, it's easy to pay more tax than you need to, miss required filings, or run into penalties you didn't even know existed. Tax planning isn't about filing forms. It's about making smarter decisions before those forms are due. The US is one of only 2 countries in the world that tax based on citizenship. That means even if you live in another country full-time, you still need to report your worldwide income to the US. Your salary, your business income, your investments, even if you're already paying taxes where you live. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean you'll always pay tax twice, but avoiding double taxation doesn't happen automatically. You need to use the right strategy. For most expats, that comes down to 2 key tools. The foreign earned income exclusion, which lets you exclude a portion of your earned income, and the foreign tax credit, which gives you credit for taxes paid overseas. Choosing the right one depends on your situation, and this is where planning really matters. Because once the year is over, your options are limited. It's not just about reducing taxes, it's also about staying compliant. If you have foreign bank accounts, investments, or assets, you may need to file additional reports like the FBAR and the Form 8938 FATCA disclosure. These aren't optional, and the penalties for missing them can be very steep, even if no tax is owed. A lot of expats come to us after something's already gone wrong. Maybe they didn't realize they had to file. Maybe they chose the wrong strategy. Or they didn't plan for state taxes before leaving the US. The truth is, most of these issues are avoidable with the right planning upfront. Good tax planning helps you keep more of what you earn, avoid unnecessary stress, and stay on the right side of the IRS. It gives you clarity instead of surprises. If you're moving abroad or already living overseas, and you want to make sure you're handling this the right way, we can help. Go ahead and request a free, no obligation tax consultation or get a quote using the link below. We'll walk you through your situation and help you build a plan that actually works for you.